So now as you can see, I put into the bigger pot because the other pot was so small into the garlic. That's the garlic you're looking at. And I'm still going to stir this up. I haven't entered water in it yet. Just seasoning the curry and the chicken. And the small piece you're looking at is a chicken breast. I end up doing the leg and piece more. But I offer somebody some. I have enough to go around. Sometimes I'm cooking and Jay come in and he likes it. So make sure if you want, if you don't want to not eat in the Clyde until whatever, I don't know. I'll offer somebody else some. So I love cooking and I'm very good at it. I just want you guys to know. So this is what Jamaican curry chicken is supposed to look like when you're cooking it. And no water is in it yet. I'm trying to get all the seasoning to soak all the way through the bone and marinate and go right through it. All the seasonings cook as you realize. The garlic, the scallion, and the onion and so on is going right through. No water is getting this yet. And it's marinating good. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to add water. At this point, you could take water now. Time to boil it. I take some water in the same pot it was in before. And I'm going to add this water to the chicken. Put all of it. And I'm going to stir. And I'm going to cover and make it boil all the way down. Now when it boils all the way down, I think I could add some more water if I want to do one shot deal. Pepper. If I want to do a one shot deal, I'm going to put the water in there now. I don't want to put more water and put more water. I can do it as I can add more water now. Right? So by the time it go down and it dry down, I know it definitely will be cooked and it will be ready. After all this water go down, it will be cooked all the way down to the bone and everything. So at this time, what I'm going to do with it at this time, I'm going to burn from the seasoning. Damn. Look, a black is the burn from the seasoning. From the seasoning I'm going to put in the oil, alright? So now I taste it is good. The one thing you could take is a little piece more hot pepper and cover it and make it cook all the way down. And that's how we do the Jamaican curry chicken.